Hi, I'm Ava. Welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio lesson that helps Korean click one rung at a time.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 오늘도 코리안 라더에 오신 걸 환영해요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 오늘은 한테다가까지 같이 배워볼게요.
Here's my problem. I know means at or to and
한테,
means to a person. But then I hear
에다가, like, 컵에다가 물을 부어요. is, 다가,
just decoration?
좋은 질문이에요. 에다가 is not just decoration. It makes the place sound like the target where you put, pour, add, or place something.
And with a person, 한테다가 marks the person as the target recipient. In English, think to someone, onto someone's side, or adding it to someone.
So if I put water into a cup, it is 컵에다가. But if I give a present to a friend, it is 친구한테다가.
맞아요. Place, target, uses, 에다가. Person, target, uses, 한테다가. The little 다가 adds a feeling of putting it right there or directing it right to that target.
Let's show it with native examples. First, a container. 컵에다가 물을 부어요. Pour water into the cup.
Here, cup is the place target. 에다가 tells us where the water is going. 물을 is the thing being poured. 치대라 제니 상뚱을 찌땡 빈 고도.
Second, a surface. 책상 위에다가 책을 놓아요. Put the book on the desk.
책상 위 means the top of the desk. Add 에다가 and it becomes the target surface where the book lands.
Third, a person. 친구한테다가 선물을 줬어요. I gave a present to my friend.
친구 is a person, so 에다가 sounds wrong here. Use 한테다가 or more simply 한테 for a casual recipient.
Let me reason it out. 컵 is not a person, so 컵에다가.
친구,
Is a person, so 친구한테다가.
Exactly. Also notice the action. 에다가 and 한테다가 appear when something moves, gets placed, gets added, or gets given to a target.
Compare these two. 곰대를 디십급. 도서관에서 공부해요. Means I study at the library. 도서관에다가 책을 놓아요. Means I put a book at or into the library area.
에서 is the place where the action happens. 에다가 is the target place where something is put or added. That boundary is important.
So I should not say 카페에다가 커피를 마셔요. If I mean I drink coffee at a cafe.
맞아요. For drinking at a cafe, say 카페에서 커피를 마셔요. 에다가 does not mean at for every action. It is a target for putting or adding.
Now, let's use it in a short natural dialogue. Listen for one place target and one person target.
가방에다가 도시락을 넣었어요.
네. 그리고 민수한테다가 과일도 줬어요.
좋아요. 물은 여기 병에다가 부어주세요.
I heard 가방에다가 for the bag, 민수한테다가 for 민수 and 병에다가 for the bottle.
가방에다가 도시락을 넣었어요.
네. 그리고 민수한테다가 과일도 줬어요.
좋아요. 물은 여기 병에다가 부어주세요. 완벽해요. 가방 and 병 are place targets. 민수 is a person recipient. That is the whole map.
Repeat after me. First, 설탕을 커피에다가 넣어요. I put sugar into the coffee.
설탕을 커피에다가 넣어요.
좋아요. One tiny pronunciation tip. 에다가 often flows like one smooth chunk after the noun. 커피에다가, not 커피에다가 with big breaks.
Now a person target. 동생한테다가 사탕을 줘요. Give candy to my younger sibling.
동생한테다가 사탕을 줘.
좋아요. In fast everyday Korean, many speakers would just say 동생한테 사탕을 줘요. 한테다가 is a little more pointed, like right to that person.
Can I also shorten 커피에다가 to 커피에다?
Yes. 에다가 can become 에다. Both are natural. 커피에다가 설탕을 넣어요. And 커피에다 설탕을 넣어요. Mean the same thing.
Same with 한테다가 and 한테다, though 한테 is the most common simple choice. For A1, remember the full form first, then notice shorter forms.
Here comes my mistake. I want to say, I put the sticker on my notebook. Is it 노트한테다가 스티커를 붙여요 because the notebook receives the sticker?
Good mistake. A notebook is not a person or animal. So do not use 한테다가. Say 노트에다가 스티커를 붙여요.
한테 is for living recipients in everyday speech. 친구한테, 엄마한테, 강아지한테. Objects use 에다 or 에다가.
So the notebook is a place target, not a social recipient. 노트에다가 스티커를 붙여요.
One more common mistake. Do not use 에다가 when there is no object being put, added, poured, written, sent, or given.
For example, 이름을 종이에다가 써요 means write the name on paper. The name is the thing and the paper is the target surface.
Okay, quiz me. I'm ready to choose the natural sentence.
The answer is A. Coffee is a thing and a target container, so use 에다가. 설탕 is the object being put in, so 설탕을 is right.
B uses 한테다가 with coffee, as if coffee were a person. C uses 설탕이, but the sugar is being put in, so 설탕을 is more natural here.
Second check.
If I say,
학교에서 친구를 만나요. That is at school. If I say, 상자에다가 공을 넣어요. That is into the box.
different job.
Answer A. Again, 상자에다가 공을 넣어요. A ball is put into a box. For meeting or resting at a place, use 에서, not 에다가.
정리해 볼게요. First, 장소에는 에다가를 써요. In English, use 에다 or 에다가 for a place, surface, or container target.
Second, 사람이나 동물 받는 사람에는 한테다가를 써요. In English, for a person or animal recipient, use 한테다가 or the simpler 한테 in casual speech.
Third, 넣다, 놓다, 붓다, 붙이다, 주다 같은 동사와 잘 어울려요. In English, it works well when something is put, placed, poured, attached, added, given, or sent.
Fourth, 그냥 어디에서 일이 일어나는지 말할 때는 에서가 자연스러워요. In English, if the place is only where the action happens, use 에서, not 에다가.
Today's keeper sentence is 커피에다가 설탕을 넣어요. I put sugar into the coffee. I can feel the target now.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 커피에다가 설탕을 넣어요. 장소 목표에는 에다가예요.
And next time we will separate 에서 and 에다가 even more clearly. Thanks for climbing with Korean Ladder.